Samsung is set to make a significant mark at its July 2025 Galaxy Unpacked event with the debut of 3 upgraded smartwatches: the Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and the latest Watch Ultra. These aren't just visual refreshes. Each model brings tangible improvements that go beyond the surface. Pricing reflects this shift in value. The Watch 8 Classic now starts at $499, a $50 increase over the Watch 6 Classic from 2 years back. The regular Watch 8 follows suit with a $50 hike across both size options. Meanwhile, the Watch Ultra remains at $650, holding its ground despite expectations of a cut following Apple's recent price drops. Storage has taken a notable leap across the entire lineup. All 3 models now feature 64 gigabytes of internal storage, twice the capacity offered by the Galaxy Watch 7. For most users, this might be more than necessary, but it provides room for offline music, more apps, and activity data, especially valuable for athletes and users who prefer a standalone watch experience. Also standard across the board is the integration of Samsung's latest bioactive sensor, designed to deliver enhanced health and fitness tracking. This upgrade aligns with Samsung's growing emphasis on wellness as a core part of its wearable strategy. Design changes are equally prominent. Official renders of the Watch 8 Classic reveal a refined look, particularly in a white color variant that offers a cleaner aesthetic than its black counterpart. The Classic arrives in a single 46mm size and is notably slimmer than the Watch Ultra. While that adds elegance, it likely results in a slightly reduced battery size, raising questions about endurance compared to the Ultra's solid power performance. The regular Watch 8, shown in graphite, maintains a clean and modern silhouette. However, some users may still favor the more striking visual design of its predecessor, the Watch 7. As for the Watch Ultra, it keeps its familiar form but introduces a new deep blue color and benefits from all the key internal improvements: larger storage, the latest sensors, and updated software. Speaking of software, the introduction of One UI 8 marks a substantial upgrade. New health features aim to provide deeper insights and more personalized guidance. Bedtime guidance analyzes sleep patterns and suggests the best time to sleep for improved recovery. Vascular load tracks pressure on blood vessels during rest, offering a snapshot of cardiovascular health. Running Coach adapts live training recommendations based on individual fitness levels. One of the more unique additions is the Antioxidant Index, which estimates carotenoid levels in the skin, a reflection of how well your body is handling oxidative stress. Though first seen on the Watch Ultra, this feature is expected to roll out more broadly to the Watch 8. One UI 8 also brings visual refinements with pill-shaped tiles aligning the watch interface more closely with the look of One UI 7 on Galaxy smartphones. All 3 models, the Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and Watch Ultra, will be officially introduced on July 10th, 2025 at Galaxy Unpacked. Pricing starts at $399 for the standard Watch 8, $499 for the Classic, and $650 for the Watch Ultra.